Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This one had quite a few questions on it today, rightfully so. This is, again, the 30-minute, but I want to just quickly show the daily chart. So on the daily chart, you can see just a big old red candle here formed. And on that note, the one point to definitely make note of here is where the price did temporarily stop, and that's right there, the purple line there, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. So right here about the 350 mark is definitely an important level from the broad scope of things, which is what the daily chart here is showing us. But like I said, I do want to do the 30-minute. So just keep in mind, from the bigger picture of things, the price is already sitting at a very important spot in regards to that $3.50 mark. And in fact, we'll just get that level mapped out here because that is, again, a very important level from the grand scheme of things. And you can see that's exactly where the price did bounce off of today, as you saw on the daily time frame. If you're now saying, wait, why is that purple line now way up here? Well, keep in mind we're on a different time frame. So different time frames, the moving averages are going to be at different levels. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above 350, where are some of these next potential areas of support at? So for this, got to scrunch up the chart here quite a bit. And next area of support, and I realize this is a little bit harder to see, but that's just because the price has not been down this far in quite a while. But after 350, next key overall area would be down there at about the $3.40 mark. So 350, 340, two of the near-term levels of support. But in the event the price can bounce, and it would not be shocking at all to see it bounce, given that it is sitting right atop that 50-day simple moving average, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? So on any sort of bounce, where are levels of resistance at? The level that really stands out to me in terms of is this bounce going to really generate anything or not is the $3.70 mark. In terms of generate anything or not, I mean, it could, definitely just bounce up here, and do kind of a little mediocre type bounce where the price, heads up and then all of a sudden kind of gets heads around, or, gets stuck right here before ultimately rolling back over. So sure, this right there, that would be a bounce, but would that be some sort of huge bounce? Nah, not really. But if the price can get up above $3.70, am I saying that therefore it's going to skyrocket up to $5? I'm not saying that, but I think that would draw in a lot more eyeballs. That would draw in, a lot more curiosity, and just make, the chart look a little bit more intriguing. So to me, the quote-unquote intriguing level, if you will, is 370, and if the price can get some breaks above there and closes above it, then I think, that would, like I said, pique other people's curiosity and then start to bring in some organic momentum. But one step at a time, and that first step being, the price has got to stay up above the $3.50 mark. So the week is young. We'll see how the rest of it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.